Hey Divas, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. I know, before y'all beat me and be like, where the hell you been? I've been around, but I'm here now to share some bits with you guys. So I got a few things over the last few months that I figured I'd come on and share with you guys. And don't mind me, I ain't got no makeup on, but we're gonna dive into some goodies. So grab your pads, grab your pens, we're gonna dive in. So stay tuned. Alright, though, so yes, I know I've been MIA and I do have to apologize. It's life. I've been busy. I've been trying to make that coin and stay in my bag. But in my bag, I've dived in a little bit and spent a little coin. So I want to say this is now November. Probably around September, I ordered this because it had restocked. And I was so happy to get it because I didn't get it the first time it came out. And I believe they just had a restock on this item. So you need to go get you one. And the holidays are coming, so if you don't got nobody to buy a gift for you, buy your own gifts. Or if you know a makeup junkie, a makeup artist, a makeup enthusiast, this gift is going to be the best one to give them. This is the blush binder from the Crayon case. So I literally just popped it out of the plastic. I ain't gonna tell y'all how the box was sitting in the other room, to the point of I forgot the box was underneath the couch that I have in the beauty room. So yes, this is the blush binder from the Crayon case. You have 18 shades of blush that can be used for more than just blush, you guys. I can't wait to play with this. The packaging on it is so unique. You know, everything in the Crayon case has a school theme behind it. This is definitely not the last thing that I'm ordering from them, but this was one of the things that I want to have. I do have a few other palettes from the Crayon case. I do have the Watch Me Blush palette, so I kind of didn't need this, but 18 huge pans of blush. How could I turn this down? So, oh, I think I just dug into the color with the film. So it does come with the film. It's supposed to be on the colors, but it's been sticking to the book. So you have different shades, and it's 3 pages of amazing color, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. You get pinks. You get oranges, you get tans, you get mauves. You even get some shades in here that you can probably contour with. It's first page alone. Look at that brown. You can definitely contour with that if you need to. Ooh, the film fell off. And don't mind me, guys. So yeah, this was $45.99, I believe. I haven't even used it yet. I legit just opened it because I've been saving it to share with you guys in this video. The next item I got, I believe, came out last month, and I don't know why I didn't come sooner to share this with you guys because I've been using the products. But this is the new Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream from Fenty Skin. So this came out, I believe, last month, and it is $40. It's available on Fenty Beauty Skin and Sephora.com. This is a refillable product like the moisturizer that I have sitting right here. You can, when this is over, you can easily take this out and drop another one in and twist it in and keep it pushing. So this is the same concept, because you're like, what are you paying $40 for? Well, you get 1.7 ounces of product. This is the container that you will basically keep. You won't throw this away. So what I do like about this whole line with Fenty Skin, at least some of your products you can kind of recycle in a sense. Like this, you're getting to keep the container, and all you ever have to buy, again, once this is finished, is the refill, which drops right in here. There we go. And then, of course, this screws on top. The lid pops open like that, if you guys can see. And inside is a scoop where you can scoop out your moisturizer. Whereas, like me, I normally would have just used my nails. So we're going to dive into this last item, because when I tell you this thing, I've been contemplating, I've been thinking about, I've even almost bought it twice from different places. And y'all gonna want to know about this one. So let's dive into it. Alright guys, so as we speak, I'm kind of watching the news and talking to you guys because it's still talking about the election. We still don't know who our president is. I'm praying that it's Biden, and if you're a Trump supporter, please exit stage left. So this item, like I said, I had thought about buying this from Sephora on 3 different occasions. Well, 3 different VIB sales. I've looked at Amazon, almost bought it off of Amazon. In my makeup group, I've seen this and I missed it when it was like a $20 deal on Amazon. Then somebody posted about it on Walmart a while back, so I had in my cart on Walmart.com, kind of waiting for Black Friday, but then I was like, let me just get it. This is the price, you can't beat it. So it's a personal chiller, guys. So this item is great for not only for yourself, but if you want to give a really unique baby shower gift, this is the gift to give that new mother. And I'm going to tell y'all why. And I wish I knew about this when I was a new mom. So this would be the perfect gift for a new mom because guess what? They can store their breast milk or a few bottles in here and keep them upstairs. Because you know, as a new mom, you're tired. If you're not just only exclusively breastfeeding, but bottle feeding also, so that dads get the experience of feeding the baby, this makes it so much easier to keep a few bottles upstairs and keep you warmer upstairs and just be able to feed baby. If you are in the car and let's say you're on a road trip, this is also good too because you could just pop this in the car, keep a few bottles nice and cool. Or the package, you know, if you have the drop-ins where you keep the milk and those kind of things, you could keep them stored in here. This has a plug for your car that fits right into the little cigarette lighter. This holds 6 12-ounce cans, and it's perfect for whether it's the bedroom, your dorm, office, workshop, whatever. So I actually have mine sitting right next to me plugged in. I just kind of plugged it in because I wanted to make sure it was working. So this is it. If you guys hear a small humming noise, it's the fridge. So at the back, it has a fan, like any good fridge would, that's kind of blowing air in. So it's the noise is not obnoxious. It's not super duper loud. It's actually pretty quiet. But it was one of the first things I noticed when I plugged it in and turned it on. At the back, it has three places that you can switch it into: chill, off, and warm. So you can turn this off if you need to. It does have the LED on the screen, so I'm gonna turn it on. Just touch right there, and it lights up. This tempered glass, you can use a dry erase marker on it and leave your significant other like really cute notes. If you're a guy watching my channel and you're thinking of a gift to get your girlfriend because she's heavily into makeup, perfect gift to give her. And this is the inside. So right here, if you guys can tell, is like a little slot like in any fridge where you could put stuff in the side. So I'm going to put like my face mask and stuff in my jade roller here probably. It's starting to get cold on the inside. The walls are definitely getting cold. It has this shelf here so you can put things in, and I believe you could take this off in case you just want to, if you got bigger products to put on the inside. So, and then it snaps closed. Be careful how you touch the front because it's super duper sensitive. So this is it. It has this little handle here at the top so you can carry it if you need to. Like I said, if you're on a road trip, you can pop this in the car, or you could keep this in your bathroom. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep mine. I just thought about it. Like, I could keep this in the bathroom to make my skincare routine a whole lot easier, or I'm probably just going to put it here on the vanity. So stay tuned. I'll do an updated video, and we'll see if I can get it together and keep it here on the vanity. I know I have some plugs behind where the mirror is, so I can kind of plug it in there if I wanted to, but I'm definitely going to keep my skincare stuff in there. I've heard people say they put like their foundations and other makeup products like that to kind of extend the shelf life. I don't know. We'll see. I might be able to pop a bottle in there. I have different ones, so we'll see. But that's everything I got, guys. So if you're looking for gift ideas, that is the perfect one. Like I said, whether it's for the holidays or for a baby shower gift, this would be the one item that most new mothers don't think of. This is definitely the best baby shower gift to probably give somebody, because they wouldn't think of it either. If you guys have any questions about anything that you saw on my channel today, oh, if you're probably wondering what the price was, because like I said, I did my research and I thought about buying this from like different places. Sephora has one that's $60. Amazon, the prices range from anywhere from $100 and change to probably, it had gotten as low as this one. I paid $29.88 for this one at Walmart. I did buy it online and picked it up in store. They actually had it available that I could pick it up in the store. One of my coworkers said she saw it at a Walmart and she meant to tell me about it, but I had already purchased it. So I actually bought it the week of the storm down here, and the power had kept going in and out in the area, and my power had just decided to go out one of the days after not losing power through the storm, so I didn't get to plug it in then, and I'm just now taking it out the box now. So, but I came to show you guys and share it with you guys. So yes, I paid $29.88 for this one. It does come in other colors. This is the black, of course. It comes in a white, blue, and a coral color. I believe there's a slight price difference between them, and it's only by pennies, guys. When I tell you, it's like pennies difference between like one or two of the colors. But this value is a great bang for your buck. So if you're being bougie on a budget, $29.88 for a skincare fridge that you can even just toss a soda in there if you wanted to amongst your makeup, or some juice, or if you like, you know, you're in your bedroom and you don't want to always have to go downstairs to grab a drink, this is great too, because you can keep like some bottle of juice, box juice, a can of soda or whatever, and you can keep this by your bedside, or water, and grab it in the middle of the night in case you're thirsty. This thing is just like the gift that keeps on giving. So moms, if you're looking for something great, or ladies, if you're looking for a great gift to give your friend and you know she's getting ready to have a baby, this is the perfect gift to give, because it can transition. They can use it to keep, like I said, water, juice, and anything by their bedside if they need to keep medicine in it that needs to be chilled, or if you just want to transition and make it into your skincare fridge. For me, this is going to be my skincare fridge. And I might pop a bottle of water or two just to keep inside. I never know if I get thirsty in the middle of the night. I just got to get up and go get it. So that's it, guys. It's a great bang for your buck. If you have any questions, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in getting one, if you buy yourself one, and what you think of it. I'm so glad I got this, and it got at a great price. I don't think I could have waited for any longer. It probably would have been sold out. If you are new to the House of Glam TV, thanks so much for checking me out and hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys rocking with me so much, because I've been so in and out of lately, but you guys are still rocking with me, and I appreciate you so much. So my oldie but goodie dolls, you guys know you are always the best. Team Diva all the way. I appreciate you guys to the fullest. So that's it, guys. Until my next one, whenever that'll be. Hopefully it will be soon. Oh, before I check out, let me show y'all something so y'all know what I've been up to. I'm going to come on real quick and share like one or two pieces from the House of Glam decor that I've been working on so you guys can see. So hold on. Alright, guys. So if you really want to know where I've been, I'm about to share with you guys. So, House of Glam, which is, of course, House of Glam TV, Makeup by Diva, Candy by House of Glam, and now Candy by House of Glam Decor. This is what I've been working on. So for the holidays, and I've done a couple for myself. I'll probably show them on my Instagram, but this is one of the holiday wreaths I've been working on. So if you follow me on my Instagram page, Makeup by Diva 21, or my jewelry page, Candy by House of Glam, where these are featured, you can go on and message me if you're interested in ordering a holiday wreath. And yes, I do ship. I'm located here in the city of Atlanta, but I do ship statewide if necessary. So you can definitely order a great holiday wreath from me. They start at $30. Shipping is $15 because, you know, they're pretty big. They're not small. So it cost me a little bit more to ship these versus the jewelry. If you want to see any of my jewelry pieces, go check out Candy by House of Glam. I'm working on some new stuff that will be up on my business page, which is on bigcartel.com. I'll post a link to that down below. So you guys, if you're interested in following me and want to order something from me, I greatly appreciate it. And know that you're going to get the best service from your girl Diva. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. That's what I've been busy with. These things take, well, I can't say hours, but I put a lot of thought and love into these pieces because it's not like work for me. It's a hobby. I enjoy creating stuff. I enjoy just putting things together and making them unique and different. So, and if you guys have watched any of my tutorials or any of my DIY videos, you know I just like to be fun and creative. So that's what I've been up to, guys. Please bear with me. I'm hoping to put out some more content for you guys again soon. And know that I love you and I'm thinking about all of you, and I'll try to keep up with all of you who keep up with me on Instagram. So till the next time, my fabulous divas, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab because you know your girl is too. I'll holler at y'all on my next one. Bye.